Hey, what's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to 164 scale racing. Today we got a little unusual collection here I found. Thought it was pretty neat, especially if you like old SpongeBob SquarePants. But found this little 5 set. Figured I'd show it to you. Let's get started with number one. It's a 70s van. And we got the pony up. And we got the quick delivery. And then we got the second wind. Second wind. And then last, I guess we got old SpongeBob SquarePants car itself. Got straight pipes. Old straight pipes. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that little collection. I thought it was pretty neat. Check out my other videos of 164 scale racing. I try to get all the odd, strange stuff, 5 packs and everything. Check them out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Thanks, people. Bye.